bad boy can fit so many Hornets in it.
What's up, guys? Today we are taking my Chevy Colorado down to Columbus and trading the B vehicle in for a new ride. This is a 2018 Colorado that I'm currently driving. It has 58,000 and change miles. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with it, but, you know, fuel prices are getting up to about $2.75 a gallon. And why? You can see I only get like 22 to the gallon. That's highway mileage. I am out running calls. It's more like 18 or 19 to the gallon that I get in this thing, which for a truck's pretty good. This has a 4-cylinder engine in it. But, you know, fuel's one of the biggest expenses. So, you know, I'm going down and I'm going to get a Chevy Bolt. And that's like the micro SUV. I can do some Tetris and fit everything that I need to fit in the back of it. Just fold the back seats down and everything like that. And that really should save me an awful lot of money on fuel, because whenever you run a business, you got to think of what your expenses are like that. So yeah, there's nothing really wrong with this truck. It's been a good truck. I mean, there were a couple of issues from the factory where things weren't put together quite correctly, but you know, those all got fixed, and it's been a pretty good truck for me. But you know, at 60,000 miles, it needs new tires now, and with this many miles, I know it's going to need brakes soon. So, you know, there's some pretty big maintenance items coming up. I already did the transmission fluid on it and stuff. But you know, we got some maintenance items coming up, and that, you know, that with the gas mileage or gas prices, just combined with the fact that used Chevy Bolts are dirt cheap now. You know, the one I'm getting, it's like under 15,000 for one that has fewer miles than my truck on it. So, I mean, I'll save some money on my monthly payment, and also save a lot of money on fuel. So I'm going to take you around the truck here and kind of give you one last look at it, what it looks like, and then we'll look at the new Chevy Bolt and sort of see what's going on. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. What do I care if the B-Man's buying a new vehicle? I only want to watch him tear down human-sized hornet's nests. And you know what? I know, I get it. Those are the only videos that get any views on this channel. Still a small channel. I got 10 million views on that one hornet's nest, but only 25,000 subscribers so far. So I know that you only want to watch me rip down human-sized hornet's nest. But you know what? It's the spring here. I haven't taken down a human-sized hornet's nest in months now. I got to come up with content somewhere. I got to keep posting videos somewhere. That was a nice little shot of Big Ben there in Akron. We're going through and seeing what's going on the road trip down to Columbus here. So just, you know what? Just enjoy the video. And just watch me get a car. These are pretty cool cars. Grandpa's Cheese Barn. Midwest staple. Perhaps we could stop at the Mansfield exit here. Go to the Mansfield Reformatory or whatever they called it. Meet Andy Dufresne. Go back to Shawshank. It's actually a pretty cool little tourist destination here in Ohio to visit the Shawshank prison, or the prison that was used in the Shawshank Redemption. Oh, is that a good movie? Got Grandpa's Cheese Barn and jails. Love Ohio. Hours later. Okay, here it is. This is a 2017, and it's an LT trim. Has a DC fast charging and a heated steering wheel. So these came advertised with 238 miles of range. The previous owner seemed to have a little heavy foot, because GM estimates 150. So we'll see how far I get before having to fast charge. I always really like the tail lights on these. They have a cool pattern in them. It's kind of ugly as a vehicle, but the tail lights are cool. But basically what's going to happen is I'm going to have these seats folded down, and that'll make a pretty long cargo area for me. And that'll fit just about anything in there that I need to fit. The only thing that might not fit is my super tall ladder. I'll have to find out with that. But I'm going to get a trailer hitch and install it in the back there. And I'll have a little cargo thing that'll come off of that. And I will run the ladder. I can strap it down to that if I need to. It's a fold-up ladder. It's 6 feet whenever it's fully put down. I could also just put the passenger seat down. So I think this is going to save me a lot of money on gas. I think I'm going to enjoy it. I'll hopefully get home okay.
It's bad luck if there's so many Hornets in it.
For fast chargers.
2485 Possum Run Road on the right.
Looks like we're in the parking lot of a La Quinta. So we'll drive around and see if we can find them. Maybe they're probably at the Walmart actually. I'll bet you they're at Walmart. Yeah, I don't see any here, so they must be at Walmart, which is common. I should have just gone into the Walmart first. That would require common sense. Maybe it's at the Applebee's. Oh, I could get drunk on margaritas and then go. I'm not going to make a drunk driving joke. That's actually pretty terrible. I'm sorry. I don't see any fast chargers. Oh, there they are. They're over there. Ha ha! I only got to add about 40 or 50 miles. So I shouldn't be here too terribly long. Have to go find out. There they are. Okay. I'll resume this video once I'm out. Okay, we're here at Electrify America, and I already have an account with them. I set that up ahead of time. It is cold outside. Plug it in and go on the thing, and looks like we're already charging here. So I'm gonna go and go pee. Okay, we're charging at 37 kilowatts. We were at 50 kilowatts for a little bit right at the start, but we're at 54% state of charge right now. So starting to slow down just a hair. And been charging, I don't know, I went in to use the bathroom. It'll tell me in a minute how much I was charging. So this is just giving me time to look around and explore the interior, but we'll see. I think I have enough range actually to get home now, but I'm going to give it a little bit of time first. Okay, I was sitting for about a half hour. I went in and used the bathroom and came back out. My TPMS light is on. That's just because of got to relearn it. Sat here for about a half hour. I started at 69 miles and finished at 117. So a little slow, but these are a little slow in charging. That's to be expected, but should be able to get home now, and we will see how it goes. Okay, first tour of me fitting all of my equipment in there. As you can see, it's pretty full. I am amazed how much stuff these things can fit. Really, really amazed. So I basically have 2 buckets with equipment. This is my Yellow Jacket bucket. I put the Yellow Jacket nest in there and I put a lid on it. And got my pesticides at the bottom. The ladder's in there. And here's my sprayers, and I got a duster on the other side. And then just a whole bunch of stuff down in the tunnel there. These have flat load floors, so you can fit a lot of stuff underneath those seats. But it all fits. I put everything I need in a bee season, except for my swarm box maybe, but I can easily move some stuff out of here to put that in. So we'll be a little loaded down, but I think she's going to work. And that's it, boys and girls. These have aluminum doors, so I had to get a vinyl decal for it to make it work. And I also got some WeatherTech floor mats so I can Uber without people puking in it. And here's it next to my Volt. They look pretty cool together. Thank you.